Getting ready to buy or sell a home? Do you want to help support pro-life organizations? Then you need Real Estate for Life. Get a top-notch real estate agent and support pro-life causes. Go to realestateforlife.org to learn more.
Dear friends, the Irish province of the Institute of Christ the King presents Lenten Thoughts on the Gospel of the Day. Please consider helping us restore the Church of the Immaculate Heart of Mary in Belfast. Ember Wednesday. Teacher, we wish to see a sign from you. Imagine our Lord surrounded by scribes and Pharisees who test him by asking for a miracle. Admire his patience and at the same time the clear way in which he tells them that their generation is an evil one and in which he proclaims his superiority to Jonas and Solomon. Patience and truth were clearly visible in the conduct of Jesus, which the saints have all imitated. Patience is the suffering with untroubled mind the evils inflicted by others. In today's Gospel, Jesus had to suffer the tenacious impertinence of malicious and hypocritical men. How trying this must be for Christ, as he could see into the depths of their wicked hearts. Despite knowing their malice and hypocrisy, Christ does not disdain to give them instruction. He speaks out the truth plainly to them, telling them that the men of Nineveh and the Queen of the South should rise up in judgment against them. The men of Nineveh did penance on the preaching of Jonas, and the Queen of the South came from afar to hear the wisdom of Solomon. Despite being pagans, they listened to God's divine inspiration and acted accordingly. During this time of Lent, our Lord continues to inspire us through His Church to seek after His wisdom before all things on earth and our eternal salvation in the next life. Let us be patient in all our dealings with God, with our neighbor, and especially with ourselves. God is patient to those who desire to love Him above all things, and so should we. Let us not dare compare our anger and impatience with the holy anger of our Lord. Unlike Him, we do not have full possession of our soul. Remember the words of our Lord, "In your patience you shall possess your souls." Jesus, aid me by thy grace. Interested in almsgiving this Lent? Why not help to restore our church in Belfast, the Church of the Immaculate Heart of Mary? Help us make this former Presbyterian church worthy of the Catholic liturgy. You can donate at this GoFundMe link. May God bless you for your generosity. Like and subscribe for daily Lenten reflections. May the Immaculate Heart of Mary triumph in Ireland.